Hello and welcome back to the DaveTech YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to pair a Bluetooth device with the Onn TV.
Before we continue, here is a quick reminder. If you are browsing on Smart TV, Fire Stick or Android TV device, I would highly recommend using a VPN. This is because a VPN helps protect your privacy, it secures your connection and keep your personal data safe while browsing or streaming. I personally recommend NordVPN because it is fast, reliable and works smoothly on TV devices. In the description of this video, I've added a special link that you should check it out and create an account. That's it, let's continue.
So how you do this is that you ensure your Bluetooth device is discoverable. There may be a button on it, or you need to maybe open the lid of an AirPod or click on the visibility options on whatever device it is, and you're going to go to quick settings and go to Bluetooth. So you navigate down to Bluetooth and click on it to get in. Now when you're here, you're going to pair remote or accessory. So this will begin to scan and you can see the device of choice there and click on it. So give a few seconds, it's going to start pairing, and when the pairing is completed, you'll be able to access audio or whatever functionality of that device. So now that I've been asked to get the pairing request confirmed, I just clicked on connect and right there you have the device connected. So you can use this for any Bluetooth device. You could pair to AirPods, you could pair to a speaker, you could pair to another device which has the Bluetooth functionality. So that's basically it. You find out together, content.